The Banana token is one of the largest tokens on the Ethereum chain measured in liquidity. It has most liquidity bound up. It's not a meme coin, it's actually a utility token behind the Banana Gun sniping bot. The price development of Banana was quite nice. We saw a multiple X return in a very short period of time. Now we are crashing somewhat. Does it make sense to buy the dip? Let's have a look at on-chain metrics. Let's have a look at tokenomics. Now here are the tokens on the Ethereum chain ordered by liquidity pool size. So check this out. Here's the liquidity and the Banana token is at number 8 with 7.4 million. This is the price development over time. We went from a bit under $9 all the way to above 50, almost a 6x. But now things tend to be turning around. What's going on here? Does it make sense to buy this dip? So I'll not walk you through the website. I will not walk you through the product in this video. We're not going to talk about how to front run other users, how to buy tokens very early with this bot. Instead, we are 100% focusing on the token. Does it make sense to buy the token? What we've got over here is the usage of the Banana Gun bot. And this was growing very, very nicely up until the end of March of this year. So the Ethereum usage already topped out at the beginning of March, but then we got the adoption of Solana and of the base chain, which continued the growth for 3 more weeks. So let's have a look at this. Beginning of March, this is where the Ethereum usage peaked. End of March, this is roughly where all of the usage peaked. We saw an additional short-term rally, but now we're turning around. And this seems to be somewhat justified. Now there's a competitor, Unibot, that had been around for a bit longer. This also sees its usage declining. So this is a market-wide decline in sniping bots. This drop is not necessarily idiosyncratic to the Banana Gun bot. Have a look at the number of users. That's also going down. Especially the number of new users really is crashing. But here's the good thing. Long term, the number of returning users tend to be growing. In other words, as a fraction of all users, the returning users tend to get larger and larger, which means that the product is sticky. People that use Banana Gun tend to make money with it, tend to stay around. That's actually not what we are seeing with Unibot. But this video is not about Unibot. We've got all kinds of other metrics here on this Dune dashboard as well. If you're interested in that, feel free to check out the link in the video description. That kind of data is not necessarily super important for the long-term pricing. There is a chart though that piqued my interest, and that's the difference between the circulating market cap and the vested market cap. What does this mean? It means that currently not all Banana Gun tokens are actually floating. A lot of new tokens will hit the market. To be more exact, only 26% of all of the supply is circulating. There will be another 4x in the supply, and if demand doesn't grow as quickly, then the price goes down, right? Price is the result of demand versus supply. So let's have a deeper look at those tokenomics. Let's have a look at how dangerous this could potentially become. Will there be so many tokens at some point that the price of Banana will continue crashing? Check out the following chart on CoinCarp.com. 1.2% of Banana bot tokens got airdropped. 3% is in liquidity, 20% was the pre-sale, but here comes the big thing. 10% goes to the team, 66% almost to the treasury. Let's have a look at the details of that treasury. According to the documentation, it's only 60%, not 66%. It doesn't matter that much. We see a 2-year linear vesting. So that's 250,000 tokens per month that get unlocked. The price is currently at $30.22. So that's a monthly unlock of this 7.5 million or a daily unlock of this $250,000 roughly. So if on any given day there is less than $250,000 of additional demand for Banana, then the price will go down. Let's have a look at the holders right now. Over here, we've got our treasury. It's already down to 54%. This is the balance development over time. So yes, those tokens do get unlocked. Yes, the team does sell. And that's partially an explanation why the price is going down. It's not just that the usage is declining and that's why the price goes down. That's one very major point. And of course, if crypto as a whole doesn't recover, in case it stays silent, Banana will have a very, very hard time. But the problem with the token is that you can't just buy and hold it. You are directly speculating on a very quick recovery of the crypto market. In case this doesn't happen, in case attention stays low, then token inflation will wreck the price, unfortunately. This is not an asset to hold over the next 5 years. This is a token to speculate on a very quick rebound in activity in the crypto market. It looks like some smart people, though, are speculating on exactly that. Over here, we've got the number of wallets for retail and for the whale. So on the left side, we've got the number of wallets that hold at least 30 banana tokens. So at the current price, that's roughly $900. That's what I'd consider retail. In the middle, we've got medium-sized retail. That's now a 10x in minimum holding. So that's at least $9,000. On the right, we've got the whales. That's at least $90,000. Now, I haven't looked that deep into the data to see if this was actually purchasing or if this is simply just the treasury sending tokens to heavyweights. If it's the latter, then the increase in the number of whale wallets means nothing. If this is, however, purchases on the decentralized exchanges, then that would be very, very positive, because that would mean that the smart money is buying, whereas retail isn't buying that much, right? Usually, crypto is a game where capital moves from the not so skilled to the more skilled. So when the whales are buying, this tends to be very positive. But really, when getting into the banana token, you are speculating on a very short-term bounce. This is a game against the clock. I personally do not feel that comfortable with that much token unlocks going forward. There's also a lot of competition, right? Unibot is only one of them. There are more and more trading bots that hit the market. If you want to take that risk, that's up to you. We are, of course, somewhat low now, and one should buy low and sell high. Make sure, though, that you're prepared for any outcome. Make sure that you know what you're doing in case we fall further. Are you going to do a stop loss, or are you going to buy more, speculating even on a bigger bounce? The most important thing is to have an exit strategy even before entering any position. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. If you want to get access to this tool where you can plug in any token on Ethereum or on the Binance Smart Chain or on Arbitrum or Avalanche, etc., you can plug in any EVM compatible token here. Look at the number of holders. If you want to get access to this tool, feel free to check out Premium. The link is down below, thebitcoinstrategy.com. If your portfolio doesn't yet justify Premium, there's also a free Telegram. Link is as well down below.